This is not perfect, but it's doable. I need to have another light, but it's working out all right. Everybody, I know that was pretty lousy. Just about cut my friggin' thumb off. Cut it right across there about a third of the way through, but didn't have any band-aids, didn't have no tape, nothing. It bled like crazy. I wrapped it up with some toilet paper and squeezed it for a while. So I got that blood in my blood, so hopefully I'm not contaminated. But anyway, lesson learned. I don't really like shooting them in the evening time. That's why I've been holding off, like, in case you're wondering. But it's a good setup. You can't see. So when you can't see, you get hurt. So yeah, I cut my thumb good. So I guess I'm gonna have to keep it straight. It actually could have used about 5 or 6 stitches, I think, actually. But I just got it pinned straight to where if I open it up, it'll bust open everywhere. Anyway, I did the best I could. Got some more meat. Thankful for that. And I'm looking forward to eating it because the meat I've been eating on Preston's deer, it is the tenderest meat I've had, I mean, as long as I can remember on whitetail. So, hey, I hope everybody has a great week. I hope you enjoyed the video. God bless each and everybody out there. And this is Strickland saying so long, everybody, from the Peach State of Georgia.